Who is it?
Who is it? What the heck? Who is that?
Who's that?
What the heck?
He showed up for your birthday? Is that awesome?
Yes.
Why is he here?
I don't know.
Give him a big hug. You can pick him up.
Careful though.
Well, invite him in. Say, come on in, Pinata.
I think he already has candy.
I don't think so. Not yet.
No.
Is that a pretty nice surprise?
What? How did I get it?
Can you smile to Daddy? He's taking a video of you.
Thumbs up?
Get you though.
I know. Alrighty. For your birthday.
It's not my birthday yet.
Oh no,
But it
it's
will
ready
be
for your
soon.
birthday on the weekend.
Don't hit him.
Tomorrow?
Are you happy about that? Is that a good surprise?
Yeah, but who did this?
A pinata lady made it.
No, they didn't. He
Yes.
just came here by himself.
Oh well, yeah.